Now this is sample t-test and we are considering pair t-test. And we have sales data of an item for 6 shops A, B, C, D, E, F. And this first data set is for before campaigning and this is after campaigning. Sales before campaigning and sales after campaigning. And the main question is what? Can the campaign be judged as a success? This means अगर हमने कैंपेन किया है तो कैंपेन के बाद हमारी सेल इंक्रीज होनी चाहिए. This means if before advertisement or before campaigning this is the data and the mean sale of this data is suppose mu1 and mean sale of this second data is suppose mu2. So this mu2 should be greater than this if the impact of this campaign is positive, if the campaign is successful. So we need to test this one, this campaign is successful or not at 5% level of significance. So in t-test, always 4 steps. First is hypothesis, second is t calculated, and next third one t tabulated, and then fourth is comparison. So first thing is hypothesis, and hypothesis in two form. First is null hypothesis and second is alternative hypothesis. So in t-test, always we will take null hypothesis as equals to. This means there is no impact of campaigning. So mean of this one and mean of this second one are equal. This means no success, no impact of campaigning. But in alternative, we will consider there is impact on sales of campaigning. So this means this mu2, this average sales increased with respect to this mu1. So we will write this mu1 is lesser than mu2 and this reflect what? Successful campaigning. So what we do first, this is hypothesis writing first and second is t calculated. So for t calculated, we have this formula t equals to d bar upon SD divided by under root n, where SD is what? SD is again standard deviation of center. So standard deviation of difference we can say. So D is what? D equals to after minus before, as we have data of before advertisement and after advertisement. So first we will find D by subtracting this 53 from 58 and all these before values with respect to their after values. So you will get these D value, then summation D. And in this you need D bar. D bar means mean of D value. So we have summation D value. So if this summation D value is subtracted, is divided by a number of observations, six observations, then you will get D bar, mean of difference. So we have this value D bar. Now we need to find this SD. So we will prepare D minus D bar column first, then D minus D bar square column second, and then summation. So as per this calculation, this summation is 47.5. Now we will put in this formula of SD, this 47.5 and n equals to 6 observations. So you will get SD equals to 3.08. This is SD. Now we will put this SD in formula of T. So T equals to this formula. So D bar, mean of D difference is, this is 3.5. So we will put 3.5 here and then this SD is equal to 3.08 and this divided by under root 6 observations. Now you will get T calculated value as 2.77. So this is T calculated value and after that we will find T tabulated value. Third step. So for T tabulated we need two things. One is level of significance. This is alpha, level of significance, and second is degree of freedom. So as we have 6 observations, so degree of freedom is 6 minus 1. This is equals to 5. Now we will search this T tabulated value from table with degree of freedom 5 and level of significance 0.05. Now we will go to table. So degree of freedom 5 and level of significance is 5%. So degree of freedom is 5 and level of significance for this is for this level of significance, this is one tail test because this is with greater than symbol, and this is for 0.05. So for this location, this value is 0.2.015. This is for one tail test, 0.05, and degree of freedom is 5. So value of t tabulated is 2.015. So this is 2.015. This is t tabulated. So this t tabulated is 2.015. Now this test is one tail test. One tail because if you are doing campaigning, so campaigning will increase the sales. This is your before sales. This may be considered as mu1, and this is after sales. After sales lies, after advertisement, sales lies in this region if this is increased. So this 5% region we will consider only in right hand tail area. So this is right hand tail area and this is 5% area, and at 5% area t tabulated value is what? 2.015. And as per calculation, t tabulated value is, this is 2.77. So suppose this location is middle location, this t equals to 0, and in this direction this may be 1, this may be 2, and this is 2.015. So this 2.77 lies in this area, in this location. This is t calculated, which is equals to 2.77. So this is also in rejected region of H0. This means H0 is rejected. So H0 is rejected. So we will write this as t calculated value is greater than t tabulated. As per this location, this is t tabulated and this location is t calculated. This is greater than this. So in that situation, H0 is rejected and H1 is accepted. Hence, the campaign is successful or unsuccessful. So successful means no success means H0 accepted, and success means H1 accepted. So in this case, H0 is rejected. This first is rejected, then second is selected. So this means your campaigning is successful. So we can write the campaigning is successful. So this is two sample t-test for paired sample. It's called paired t-test.